This is example 3 of lesson 2.2, more evaluating of expressions. And we're talking about Sherry's taxi service. You want a real-life example of when we use this sort of thing? This is a real-life example. Sherry's taxi service charges customers an initial fee of $5 plus 50 cents per mile driven for each ride. The algebraic expression representing the total cost is 5 plus 50 cents per mile 5 plus 50 cents times m, where m is the total number of miles driven during one ride. Use a table to show how much rides of 6 miles, 15 miles, and 24 miles would cost Sherry's customers. I've already drawn us the table here, so let's go ahead and get to some plugging and chugging, some subbing and some solving. So, for each of these values, 6, 15, and 24, we are going to solve this expression. Again, an expression does not have an equal sign. So, it's going to become an equation here in just a moment. So, we're going to plug in 6 for m, because m equals the miles. So this is going to be 5 plus 0.5, and I'm not going to put that second 0 there, it's unnecessary, times 6, because 6 is our value for m right now, which equals, multiplication first, 5 plus, what is 0.5 times 6? Well, I know that 0.5 equals 1/2, and I know that 1/2 times 6, and I did it again, shame on me, 1/2 times, times 6, oh my goodness, pen, work with me, 6 equals 3, 1/2 of 6 is 3, so this is going to be 5 plus 3, which means that a total cost of 6 miles would cost us $8. Let me rewrite that 8 there. $8. Okay, let's look at 15. 5 plus 0.5 times 15 equals, well, 5 stays. 5 plus, what is 1/2 of, as we just did up here, well, now it's 15. 1/2 of 15, well, 1/2 of 14 is 7. Half of 1 is 0.5, so that's going to be 7.5, 0.5, which equals 5 plus 7 is 12.5. 12 and 5/10, or $12.50, and I can fit a dollar sign in there. $12.50. And last but not least, certainly it's not going to be least because it's the biggest number, 5 plus 0.5 times 24 equals, well, 5 stays the same, it's plus, we're doing multiplication first, 24 times 1/2, or 0.5, half of 24 is 12. 12. So my answer is going to be $17. And that is an input-output table, by the way. You put in a number of miles, you get out a cost for Sherry's taxi service. And with this, you could determine how much any distance would cost a customer of Sherry's taxi service. And that's example 3.